How to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only Photos 2024. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Snapchat. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, swipe right and then click on your profile at the top left corner. Over here, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Different settings will be available to you. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. But what you want to do is head over to My Data. Now once again you have to enter your login credentials. First of all, enter your username and then enter your password of your account. Now you'll receive one verification code on your mobile number. Once you receive the verification code, copy that code and paste it here. After that, click on Next. It will land you on this interface. In this page, what you want to do is enable the necessary options like these. Also, you can toggle off other options. Once you have selected the specific data that includes My Eyes Only, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Now you have to select the specific date range. Select from which date up to which date that you want to recover. After that, click on Submit at the bottom right corner. Now within 24 hours, you'll receive the files on your email address. You have to check the mail and download the file that you receive on your device, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can recover My Eyes Only photos. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.